A few months ago, right here in Washington, we signed a historic peace agreement between the Democratic Republic of the Congo and Rwanda, which provides the first ever pathway to peace to end a 30-year, unbelievably violent conflict.
Mu mezi ashize hano i Washington twasinye amasezerano y'akataraboneka y'amahoro hagati y'u Rwanda ndetse na Congo nyuma y'imyaka 30 y'amakimbirane hagati y'ibyo bihugu.
And we're joined today by a very, very brave and wonderful man, the President of the Congo, President. Hey, President, would you stand up, please? You are so... President, thank you. And you really are, you're a brave man. I know what you've been through. I know that one very well. That was a hard one. That was many, many years. Every once in a while I have to call them both back, but it's working out okay. It's going to work out good. But you are brave, and we appreciate you being here. Great honor.
Donald Trump ati, Perezida, ni byiza kukugira hano. Nzi ibyo waciyemo byari ibintu bikomeye, yari imyaka myinshi, ariko uri umugabo w'intwari kandi twishimiye kukugira hano.
Together, he and I have also signed the largest minerals deal in U.S.-Africa history. And, Congo has magnificent land. It's incredible land, and he's doing very well with it, so we appreciate it. But we've signed the largest deal. Some of our big companies, and they're going in. So thank you very much, Mr. President, and you call me for anything, right?
Perezida Donald Trump akomeza avuga ati kandi nge na Perezida Félix Tshisekedi twasinyanye amasezerano y'ubufatanye mu gucukura amabuye y'agaciro. Kongo ni igihugu cyiza gifite ubutaka bwiza burimo amabuye y'agaciro. Inganda zacu zizatangira kujyayo gucukura ayo mabuye. Mu kurangiza, Perezida Donald Trump abwira Perezida Félix Tshisekedi ati ni byiza wakoze kandi nugira icyo ukira uzampamagare.
Does Rwanda currently have any troops at all in Eastern DRC?
I don't know.
You're the commander-in-chief.
Yeah, there are many things I don't know. If you want to ask me, is there a problem in Congo that concerns Rwanda?
Really, technically not an answer I should have given. But also technically, it is an answer that would not take me to court. So, how do you prosecute an ignorant man? Back and forth thing has trivialized the real issue. But there are bigger issues to deal with. Own up. They have responsibilities and must not transfer their responsibilities to Rwanda. They have responsibilities and must not transfer their responsibilities to Rwanda. They are not responsible for Congo.